Crash courses. Sandra, today's crash course is on force. What is force, you ask?
A push or a pull on an object that causes it to change its motion or shape. And I highly advise you not to be that object.
Such a kidder. Today I shall dynamically demonstrate two of the best-known forces that affect all of us. Gravity, which is always pulling us towards the center of the earth, and friction. That picture too, huh? Which is the resistance of motion caused by moving through the air or water, or in this case, trees.
Sir, this is a horrible idea.
Sandra, that won't happen this time. And besides, I'm doing it for the kids.
For once, just forget about the kids.
What? Never, ever, never will I ever forget about the... I forgot. What were we talking about?
Types of forces?
Right! No! I gotta prepare my demonstrations.
Sir, who is flying the drone?
Sandra, I'm glad you asked. Meet my newest invention / autopilot, the CrashBot 9000.
Oh, Sandra.
You like that? Yeah, added that in there just for you.
Sir, that robot does not look stable.
That's malarkey. The CrashBot is a perfectly capable pilot.
Here are the fast facts.
Fact number 1. A force can cause a moving object to speed up, slow down, or change its direction of motion. Fact number 2. The greater the force, the greater the change in motion it can cause. And fact number 3. A force always has a direction. Sandra, first I will jump down off of this ladder, demonstrating gravitational force as I am pulled towards the earth. And then I'll open my parachute, and the force of friction and other things will allow me to float safely to the ground. Hey! Is that a mountain?
Yes. Well, that went pretty well.
It went horribly. Sir,